Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So following the unfortunate passing of DJ Sumbody, who unfortunately died to an unfortunate and a very sad shooting which sadly took his life and the life of his bodyguard who was with him when he was short hours before he was set to perform in Pretoria. Somizi posted his last conversation with the much loved hitmaker and posted their last conversation, and I must say that it is so heartbroken. So Somizi wrote this long and sad message on Instagram as he shared their last conversation. He wrote, "I am so numb. I no longer know how to feel and react to the loss of a loved ones. We definitely are living on borrowed time." So here's a backstory about how life is unpredictable. So yesterday I get a text from DJ Sumbody inviting me to his gig today. I then offered to pose for him, but he just says yep. Then I tell him to have manners, which he still doesn't get why I say so, which he decides to video call to get clarity. I then tell him that he's supposed to say please and thanks when somebody shows acts of kindness, which we laughed about. And at that time he was at the salon getting groomed, and his last words to me were, "Don't forget to wear white tomorrow because it's gonna look like we are in heaven," which obviously we didn't think much about that statement. And little do we know that today is gonna be exactly that, literally heaven. Rest easy, Uber. What a joker you are. You were a hard worker and very humble. Yeah, Nim. Now, you guys, that was the message that Somizi shared on his Instagram. And may his beautiful soul rest in peace. May DJ Somebody's soul rest in peace. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next upload. Bye.